Here I have a 2009 Volvo S80 T6 3-liter. This is a very common problem. As soon as the car gets a little old, the front bracket, which is connected to the lower muffler or the converter pipe, what happens is it rusts away, and this is it right here. And what I did, I took a piece of 3/8 rebar and just welded it to the converter. If it's something you can't do it, welding shop would be able to do it no problem. I just made this piece up right here and just put it into the rubber bracket. And this what happens, it sways back and forth when this piece rusts out. So it sways back and forth and you'll hear your car banging. So it's a quick alternative to having to spend thousands on a new exhaust.